Dear viewers, today we are going to see what is the differentiate between C715 versus P715. So here is the TVs. In my right hand side I have a C715, in my left hand side I have P715. C715, it's 4K QLED TV with hands-free AI, available with 3 sizes 50, 55 and 65. P715, 4K USD with hands-free AI, available with 5 sizes 43, 50, 55, 65 and 75. For both the model, we already done different product explanation videos. Those links I have given in the description. If need more information about these two products, please check the links in the description. So between these two models, C715 and P715, the major key differentiator is number 1, picture quality, number 2, sound quality, number 3, design. So these are the major 3 differentiate between these two models. Let's go. We'll see in depth what are the major differentiate available in these two models. If I talk about picture quality of both the models, C715 comes with QLED technology, quantum dot display, that can assure that display can reproduce more color, more contrast, more clarity. Also, C715 supports Dolby Vision and HDR10+. At the same time, P715, there is no QLED technology. So for color reproduction, P715 comes with dynamic color enhancement. So that assure that TV can give you accurate color. Also, P715 supports HDR10. In picture quality, for both the model, there are common features also. 4K for both the model supports 3840x2160 and micro dimming. This both the model supports micro dimming too. If I talk about sound quality, both the model almost similar, but there will be different. So C715 comes with 30 watts total sound output, 15 plus 15. Total there are 2 speakers, 15 plus 15, total 30 watt sound output. Along with 30 watts, C715 supports Dolby Atmos and DTS2. At the same time, P715 also supports 30 watt sound output, 15 plus 15 watt speakers, total 30 watts sound output. Along with 30 watts, P715 supports Dolby Audio. There is no Dolby Atmos and DTS. So in sound, there will be a common feature. Of course, both the model supports 30 watt sound output. But there will be a slight differentiate in terms of sound quality because C715 supports Dolby Atmos, which is new technology of the sound. And third point is very important, design. So I can say very slight differentiate in terms of design. You can see in downstate, C715 comes with light black metallic bezel, and in terms of stand quality, it's a premium cut edge look, so it gives you premium and authentic look for your interior design. At the same time, P715 comes with silver color bezel design at the bottom. At the same time, stand, it's give you diamond cut design, so that TV also assure it's a premium look for your interior design. I can assure in terms of design, the both the model looks good. In terms of design, common features for both the model, Both the model C715 and P715 supports full screen design that assure 100% cinematic experience for viewers. Both the model comes with complete metallic design that assure in terms of durability best in class product for both the models. If I talk about OS, operating system of both the televisions, both the model comes with Google certified Android P 9.0, which is latest version of televisions. Also, both the model comes with 64-bit quad-core processor and 2GB RAM, 16GB built-in memory. So both the model supports 5000 plus applications where user can access 5000 plus applications. They can directly download and insert the application in TV itself. Also, user can have a best gaming experience because both the model supports 64-bit quad-core processor. So they can use endless of gaming experience. Dear viewers, there is one more common feature for both the models. It is hands-free voice control, where you can control your television without having a remote control. You can control your television through your voice. So hands-free voice control, you can just go to the description. I have given the video links for both the products. You can have a look for more understanding about hands-free voice control. Dear viewers, now we came to summary. So the major key differentiate between both the models: number 1, picture quality; number 2, sound; and number 3, design. So these are the major 3 differentiates. In terms of OS and the hands-free voice control, the user interface, everything same. There is no any differentiate between in terms of OS and hands-free voice control. Dear all, if you need more information about TCL products, please visit our official website, the link given in the description. Also, please subscribe our channel to get an update our new videos. And thanks for your support. Ganapati from TCL.